Welcome back to the channel.
Today we are gonna go get our first cabana.
Yeah, so come get lost with us in Aliante.
Tour of the cabana time. Got Gary chilling like a villain. Poor guy hurt his foot again. He's in a boot. But yeah, there's not a whole lot to this. We're sitting on the couch, and then there's that chair, and then there's that chair, and then we've got these curtains and a fan. There's a TV that we really can't make any louder. And then to the left over here, we have chairs. And to the right over here, you can kind of see it peeking out. We have a table and chairs. So, I mean, you do get stuff if you had a bigger group of people. It's just us, so. But it's nice. Because we can retreat back in here when it's hot out there.
The outside table. Outside area. So you do get some playing cards if you want this. Kind of cool. I got 2 decks on the side. So it's a little bit of an overcast day for us today, but nice out here. Macy's trying to find out if we can get drinks or whatever out here. So let's see what she finds out when she comes back.
Alright guys, so I just went up to the front just to kind of check in and see like what we got with our cabana. Technically we didn't get anything. We get bottled water and towels on the weekdays, but they only have pool runners on the weekend. So you can go inside and go order your own drinks and your own food and bring it out here, but they don't have anybody to run food or take drink orders on the weekdays. So $125 for the cabana doesn't really give you anything. As long as you're willing to go get it yourself, then I guess it's not a bad deal. But at this point, I kind of feel like I would have been better off paying the $400 to go over to Red Rock.
What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments.
Have you guys ever been here? I mean, don't get me wrong, the atmosphere is really nice. It's a little bit of a bummer that I'm gonna have to go inside and go get drinks and bring them out here. But yeah, we're gonna make the most of it.
Alright, here's our view from the cabana seats. Hotel, there's Nancy. And then the 3 people that are here at the pool with us decided to sit in front of us. It's always fun. Oh, here's the parking lot, yo. We can see our car from here. So that's the pool area. Alright, so here's my view from inside the cabana, looking at it.
Alright guys, so our cabana today is self-service, and by that I mean we have to go get our own drinks and our own food. So it took me about 10 minutes, maybe 15, to get all the way down to the food court. I ordered from Capriati's, And then the only bar that's open right now, because it is before 4 p.m., is TGI Fridays. So I had to get my drinks from TGI Fridays. There's no other bar open in this casino, so keep that in mind if you're here in the middle of the week. On the weekends, it seems to be a little bit different, but on the weekdays, definitely have limited availability of bar and food.
All right, one legit tip too, if you're out here, is the military planes fly by here a lot, so you definitely get a lot of that background noise on the regular if you're out here at Aliante. So you see that the bar is closed in the distance, and you have to actually go into the casino and through the casino in the lobby to get to the restaurants or drinks on the weekdays. Legit tip there. Alright, so if you're staying at the pool, this is the closest bar on the weekdays. And the pool is literally through that lobby and on the other side of that. So it's a definitely long stretch. Alright, so that concludes our day with the Cabana. What did you think, Macy?
So the Cabana space itself was nice. It was nice to have a little space to like go into. However, because it was a weekday, it wasn't staffed. So I had to go into the casino to get my food, my drinks. Yeah.
And the bar at the pool isn't open on the weekdays. I don't know if it opens on the weekends either because it just says closed. The people down there were not helpful at all. We're like, what's the closest like bar or restaurant that's available? And they're like, I don't know.
So it was a little frustrating.
Yeah.
And most of the restaurants here don't open till 4 anyways.
Yeah.
So my only option, the only bar that I could actually utilize was TGI Fridays.
So definitely a legit tip. Think twice about reserving out here. Maybe consider Red Rock. We're going to try them too in the future, so subscribe if you want to see us stay there. But this definitely wouldn't top our list right now.
Yeah, and it might be worth it on the weekends. The weekends it's about $250. We paid $125 for nothing.
Yeah.
So there was definitely some miscommunication from the person that I booked it to what was actually going to be my experience. So we actually are going to the spa tomorrow, so make sure you guys look out for that video of us having a spa day here at Aliante.
Yeah, and if you like this video, hit that thumbs up.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos.
A week. And we'll come and get you guys for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Ruth?
Bye.